The Mercedes Vito alarm system frequently malfunctions due to issues with the bonnet latch switch and the interior motion sensor. The bonnet switch, a small component on the hood latch, can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. The interior sensor, often detecting movement or vibrations, may trigger with pets or shifting cargo. To diagnose, start by visually inspecting the bonnet switch for damage and cleaning any debris. For the interior sensor, try removing any potential sources of false triggers. Utilize an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. B17.4 often indicates an alarm fault. Resetting the system can sometimes resolve the issue. This can be done by cycling the ignition, momentarily disconnecting the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, or using Mercedes reset codes via diagnostic software. Software patches are often available via the MB apps or star diagnosis systems and address false triggers. Once identified, you can implement practical fixes. For a faulty bonnet switch, replacement is often necessary. These parts typically cost $40 to $150. For the interior sensor, adjusting sensitivity or temporarily disabling it can help, but might compromise security. When resetting, ensure all doors are closed and the key fob is functioning correctly. Hold the unlock button for 5 seconds. If these steps fail, a professional reset using Mercedes Star Diagnosis software might be required to prevent ECU damage. The future of Vito alarm systems includes AI-driven diagnostics predicting faults via the Mercedes Me app and over-the-air updates for firmware. Consider exploring community-sourced repair guides on platforms like YouTube for more visual demonstrations, but always prioritize safety and warranty implications.